Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Lipstick and More. My name is Jyoti, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much and welcome back. Today I have these beautiful crystal glosses by Revolution Pro. It was in their new section, so I wanted to bring it to you guys. The packaging of these lip glosses is absolutely stunning. The cap has this golden color and you can see the glittery lip gloss through the clear container here. And what's so interesting about it is that you can actually stack them up like that. There are 3 of them in this collection. 2 of them have a little bit of a shade in it and 1 is clear. Let's go through each one by one. To start with the shade Outrage. And here is the wand. I do wish that this was not plastic. If this was more like this, then it would have made the product feel a little bit more luxurious. But let's go ahead and try this out. The wand is nice, it's comfortable to use, and the lip gloss itself is pretty thick. And I have done a wear test on this lip gloss and it is pretty long lasting as well. It lasts for hours and hours. It is a little bit on the sticky side, but I personally don't mind it. It's not like super sticky. There's a little bit of cakiness right here. If you just clean it up a little bit with your finger, it should be fine. It definitely has a scent, so it is not fragrance free. There is a smell to it. Nothing off-putting, nothing like chemically feeling. It's a pretty nice scent and there's a hint of color in the lip gloss, as you can see. A little bit of a beige shade with this golden glitter. And when you take it off, there will be some glitter left on your lips. Up next, I want to try out this shade called Dreamer. This one's scent is slightly stronger than the other one. Has just a little tint of pink, not pinky. It's still a neutral shade, but just a little tint of pink in there. And the golden glitter I feel like is not showing up as much in this one compared to the other one. But I do feel like the lip gloss is emphasizing my lip lines. I'm not sure if I would wear this on its own, but we are gonna check out the clear one and see how that looks. And as you can see, there is a little bit of product kicking up right here. It's not as smooth as I would like it to be. Now this one is clear and it's called Absolutely. It is really pretty, but do keep in mind that containers like these with caps like this do get really smudgy with your fingers. Smells similar to the second one, the Dreamer one. It's not the most amazing smell. It is a little weird, but it's not super strong. I do like the clear one. My lip lines are not as visible with the clear one. I think perhaps the color in the other lip glosses, it was sinking into my lines, but because this one doesn't have color, it's not making my lines visible. So this one is definitely my favorite out of all 3. So here's how it looks when you apply it over a lip liner. I think it looks great. It's a great lip gloss to use over a liquid lipstick or a lip liner. And you could actually also wear it on its own. And it is a long wearing lip gloss. I would say it is comparable to ColourPop's Ultra Glossy Lip and also Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. Now the Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss, what's good about that one is that that one is not sticky, but it's still long lasting. Whereas the ColourPop one and this one is just a little bit sticky, but nothing too crazy. It's not gonna look bad on your lips. It just has a slightly sticky consistency, whereas the Essence one is a little bit lighter feeling on the lips, but it's still long lasting. I do like all 3 lip glosses. This one from Makeup Revolution the Essence one, and the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. So there you have it. These are the 3 new lip glosses that Makeup Revolution had in their new section. So I wanted to bring it to you guys because I do think they're really cute. The packaging is really nice. The formula is good. It's long lasting. The only thing that I experienced that I didn't like was that the ones that were not clear did emphasize my lip lines and sink into my lip lines. But everything else about the lip glosses is nice, and they do have a little bit of a weird smell. Nothing too strong, but it does have a little bit of a scent that's not like amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and leave me some comments. Let me know what lip gloss is your favorite lip gloss. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.